a 1972 Ford Bronco, and I have no idea why it's being towed. Most likely it's just a transport tow, but yeah, that's all I know on that. I still have like another 35 minutes to get there, so I'll see you guys when I get there. Alright guys, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.
Morning! I'm good. Is it disabled or impound? Impound?
Looks like it's
Yeah. There you go.
Thanks, man.
I'm gonna start hooking her up and then I'll just wait for you to give me the paperwork. Thank you. Alright, no problem. The plate doesn't even come back to this car.
Nope.
Sounds about right. Alright, let me start hooking her up and
Thanks,
get her out of here. Not a problem, man. The plate doesn't even come back to this car. That's funny. There we go. Sorry, you guys can't see what I'm doing right now, but I'm trying to hook up this car in a spot where I'm not gonna break anything, like the control arm. See if I can pop her into neutral at least. Got her. Whew. Yeah, it looks like it was stolen, alright. It looks like it was stolen, to be honest. pop right back into park. All right, boss, we're good to go. All right, be safe out there. And that's it, guys. So yeah, the plate on this car, the plates that are on this car at the moment come back to a Mercedes. That's not a Mercedes. So yeah, some sketchy stuff right there. Let me lower the volume because I do not want any copyright strikes on my channel. But yeah, guys, just like that, we're good to go. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace. I don't even see. Okay, I'll go check it out. All right, thank you. How's it going, boss? I'm here. They told me I'm picking up a car over here. I don't see it.
It's past these fire trucks right
What is
now.
it, the black Altima? It's like a black car? If you want, I'll go around the block just so I don't have to wait here forever. I'll give you a business card. Or are they with the car or no?
Right in front of the car. There's nobody in there. They went to the hospital.
Gotcha, okay. Alright, so yeah, let me go around the block, alright? Thank you. I see the car. Good morning, or good afternoon. It's been that type of day. So from what I was told, they went to the hospital, right? Okay. Big injuries? Gotcha. Is there any paperwork like reg and insurance in there? 7 years. Goodness. All right. Let me just get in position and hook her up. All right. All right. Alright, just like that, guys. Man, good to go. I don't know if the officer took off already over here. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's it, guys. I will see you guys on the next one. Peace. What's up, guys? Just want to give a big thank you to everybody who has been supporting my channel lately. I want to say, thank you. I'm trying to build this channel up because I know there's a lot of people that love to see stuff like this. Also, I want to give a shout out to Pete Minetti from NYY Underground. He's the one that pushed me to do content like this. Also, if you're a huge fan of the Yankees like I am, go give that man a follow. Go subscribe to him. He's a really good dude. But yeah, all in all, I'm gonna just, keep recording stuff like this, I got a couple of bangers for the next episode, so I'll keep you guys updated. Peace.